Good morning, traders. This is Jeremy with Prop Traders with the morning market report on January 17th, 2016. We had a large trading range yesterday. The bulls did catch a bit of a bid trying to defend the the upward momentum. But today, we had a balance overnight inventory, and it looks like we're selling off here a bit after the opening bell. Um, the futures did open up. Most markets did open up right inside value, um, and we still have a large value area in both the NQs and the ESs. So there should be a lot of whipping around today to try to really figure out where value. The point of control did move higher after yesterday's session, so that did indicate again that we're getting a bit of a move forward. But as we can see, we have a large value area, and we literally have you know, in the NQs alone, you have a 40 point value area, and which is usually about twice as big. And in the ES and the S&P futures, again, the value area is fairly large as well, about 25, roughly 24, 25 points in size. Um, so if we keep this downward momentum, um, support in the NQs um, would be around the 43.53 area, and the ESs would be around 20.50. I'd look to see some type of support there, um, but ultimately those support levels actually, that's just the value area low. If we got selling into yesterday, if we're going to look at yesterday's range, anyway, um, let me look at the ESs as well. Again, we're into yesterday's range, which means if we usually do that at the opening, we're usually going to get a, a peek into the range pretty good of yesterday's low here was again 2043. Um, and let's see here. So yesterday's range was here and then here. So I think we opened yesterday here, went down to here. So looks like we're right here. So again, we're kind of peeking down into that inventory from yesterday. Let's see here. Yeah. So again, 2064. If we get below that, we could be heading down into yesterday's range. Again, a good support level should be around that 2050. Um, but again, we'll probably just chop. It looks like we're going to chop back and forth here until the Brexit vote. Um, we'll look at the NQs. We'll also look at the ES on the daily chart here to kind of see what's happening with stochastics on a daily basis. So again, we had that good downward push yesterday, bounce back up, but again, as you can see, it's a thin needle here, so not a lot of volume traded. Not a lot of value was actually built down here. So the value is right here between the 2063 and the 2068 range, which we're at right now. So again, if we break down below that 2063, which we're just about ready to do, we could see further downward momentum to possibly this 2055 level here, which would probably be a good you know uh, a good buying opportunity there, possibly to trade within this range today here between 2055 26. Oil's down, not as much as it should be because of the contract rollovers. But as you can see, we're up here in 47s. We did trade as low as the 46s yesterday. Um, but the downward trend continues. We still haven't even tried to touch the 15-day moving average on the daily chart here. And again, if I was trading the crude today, I would try to short it on the on a chart here with resistance, which we're at right now. So um, that's it for me. Just not a lot of else going on. You have the Brexit vote coming up, which is a big news, and have a good weekend. Thanks.